Well, after I let the bird go, I figured I'd drop off the hay. This is what a bale of 650-pound bale of hay, round bale of cow hay, looks like in my truck. And there are the cows, and they're going like, "Hey, can I have some hay? I would like some hay, please. Could you please give me the hay?" So we're going to go drop it off somewhere. Here we go. Well, there's the truck, and I'm trying to set this down here. I'm just wondering if I can back it up and hit the brake and it'll come out maybe. Let's see. Well, I guess I even have to hit the brake. I don't know. One out. See if we can move it into position here. There it is. And the cows are waiting. They're like, "Hey, you want some? I want some." And I go, "Hey, cows." Doesn't look like we're gonna have much luck. Turning. We can tip it. Can we tip it? Huzzah. Alrighty. We tipped it. There they are. With the bale. With the cows. And they want to eat.